All right, I am here at the Ham Fest of Fort Walton Beach, Florida. There is Adso, table next to me, and she is selling diamond art cards and plain cards, jewelry, and lots of beautiful artwork. And here is Pampered by Diamonds. Here is my table. There's your do-it-yourself kits that I have put together. There's some free candy. And let's go take a walk to the other side. Bunch of ham radios and equipment.
Break it for you. Give me 10 minutes.
I'm not sure what company this is or who this is, but lots of radio stuff. You guys know any of this stuff? Just put in the comments what you recognized. There's an old piece. Bunch of little gadgets. I think those are fuses or light bulbs. You doing okay today? Yeah, that won't be till later. Yeah, we're getting some bad storms later. We're on a 4 out of 5 for tornadoes. Lots of bad storms. So these are, I believe, are just all light bulbs. I think. Yeah. Okay, and here we go. Some more gadgets. Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good.
What company is this?
Well, I'm not a company.
Just you, WD9GIU.
Yep.
Well, I'm KK4PUD.
Good to meet you. Where are you from?
Here.
Oh, okay.
I have the diamond art table down there.
Okay. My wife usually comes when she was busy today. She's a ham too.
Nice. Do you live here?
We live in between Springs.
Okay. Okay. Cool. I'm a YouTube creator and I'm doing a video right now.
Oh, very good. Have a good day, everybody.
You too. All right, let's see what we got on this side. More ham radio stuff. Microphones. Whoa, look at that. Like I said, if you recognize any of this, just go ahead and shout out what you've seen. Okay, Shadowcraft, this is for you. You wanted a video. Hello, young man.
Hello. I hear.
Thank you.
More radios. Okay. I'm going to try not to make you guys dizzy, but we're going to go further down. There's my table. Mine's very colorful. So is Atso's. Colorful tables. If you're part of ham radio, there's the fox. We do fox hunts. Mystery box, some tickets to win prizes, cookies. Here's some computer parts, computers. We have radioactive antennas. Just a whole conglomerate of stuff. So this is what a ham fest is. That's a case. You can put your radios in. My husband has enough to fill that up, that's for sure, and then some. Lots of pieces and parts. Switches, connectors. I'm just reading. Look at that. Sears. Anybody remember Sears? Antennas. Oh, look at those. Hummingbird feeders. Florida fans. I'm a bitter gun owner clinging to my religion. Things for the car, signage. More stuff.
Good, how are you? I'm with you.
Hello, how are you? You're on candid camera. Sure, absolutely. Okay, here's some stickers. Made in Alabama. You won't pay any tariffs with this company. Huh? Those look like CB handles. Microphones. Haha, look at that. Anybody still have a CB? We do. If you have a CB, what's your handle? Mine was Little Bear. And there's a big old trailer. All right, anybody need a vacuum? All kinds of stuff here. Hello, how are you? Good. Oh, I gotta get back over there because I don't have my tickets on me. Oh wait, yes I do. Let's see if we're a wiener. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. More stuff. So this is our ham fest. Oh, a bunch of stuff I don't recognize, except for the Atso, which is next to me, and my stuff. Some pretty paintings back there. And jewelry again from Atso. And there's our Ham Club logo. And that's what I got for you today. Have a wonderful day, guys.